Yes, YouTube. Good morning and welcome back again. It's been a long time, or it's been a couple of weeks that I haven't recorded any videos, but guys, sometimes you have to pull your energy back just to ground yourself again, take some rest, charge, and come back stronger than ever, right? So guys, I want to give you guys a quick update on BTC because we're heading to some resistance now at the moment. Actually, we're retracing or we're rejecting the 50 line on the first swing low on the daily time frame. I will show you later on in this video what I mean with this swing low on the daily. So let's do a top-down analysis together and let's see if we can find an entry, because I'm still bullish on BTC, but you can see that we're heading to some resistance, right? So guys, with that said, let's go to the chart. So as you guys can see now, we're watching at BTC to USDT again. And if you go to the daily time frame, you can see that we rejecting the 50 line on this first swing low on the daily time frame, right? So there's some resistance there. There's still some liquidity on the 618 above, so I'm aiming for this 618. And then we have to see what's happening there, right? The bulls need to take over to push through this next pool of liquidity at 105, let's say 106K, but we have to see what's happening here, right? So let's go to the lower time frames. If we go to the 4-hour time frame, you can see that we still have some bullish order flow, right? We came for sell side liquidity underneath these lows here. So we dipped into it, and now if you go to the 15-minute, you can see that we're creating higher lows again, right? So we have a sort of market structure shift, so I'm expecting upside for BTC. There's a pool of liquidity above this this eagle highs here, right? So again, I'm expecting upside for BTC. As we speak, I'm in a long position now on BTC, with a stop loss underneath this wick here. So you can see that I'm in I entered on this retracement here, so we have to see what's happening here, right? So again guys, you can enter this trade here on the 618 here to catch the right up to next liquidity, right? So let's put a stop loss underneath this wick like I showed you in my own trade, right? To eventually trade to the 618, and then we have to see what's happening there, right? Because there's liquidity above these wicks here. So I'm expecting BTC to go up, reject like this, go up, reject, retrace, and then here the bulls need to take over. If we create an eagle high here, then you create also a bearish divergence on the RSI, and then most likely it will come down here. So we have to see what's happening here. So we can trade this short scalp trade on the 50-minute to the 618. That's what I'm doing now. As you guys could see on my X profile, I shorted this manipulation dump, and I also longed this nice pump patch, right? So if you don't follow me on X, follow me on X, because I keep you guys updated. I didn't post on YouTube, but I was very active on X. So again, let's put a long position here to the 618 to catch liquidity, right? So that's a nice scalp trade with a risk reward ratio of 2 to 3. So that's very nice. If you want to take this trade yourself, you can go to the link in the description, join the crypto gainers, or you can also sign up to MEXC Exchange. Once you sign up, you get a 30 USDT for free and a lifetime 10% discount on your trading fees, right? Also BTCC Exchange, if you deposit something, then you will get 10% discount, right? So again, check out all these links here. There are nice benefits if you use my links. So again guys, I'm expecting upside for BTC after retracement on the 618 to eventually go to the 618 on the daily time frame. So again, guys, I thank you all for watching. A quick update on BTC. Stay tuned because I will post more videos in the coming period. Follow me on X. And with that said, guys, I thank you all for watching. Stay safe, make profits, and God bless you all. See you in my next video.